Everyone, welcome to my channel GSP Studies. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. If we travel all over India, we see an enormous variety of population in various degrees of development. Stop. We see many cultural, political, social and economic disparities. Stop. We want to put an end to these disparities and inequalities. Stop. But remember, there is a limit to the amount of compulsion that we can exercise, apart from the desirability of compulsion. Stop. We have to go by consent, not everybody's consent, but the consent of the community as a whole. Stop. Apart from this factor, so far as our country is concerned, we have followed a policy in our political field which is somewhat unique. Stop. In our political struggle, by and large, we have adopted peaceful methods. Stop. An example is the way we put an end to the princely order in this country. Stop. We paid for it. Stop. But remember this, what we paid for it, however heavy, was very little compared with the cost of a conflict. Stop. In economic field, similarly, we want to do away with classes, but by the method of winning over people. Stop. I admit class struggle, but I do not want to aggravate it. Stop. I do not want to be obsessed with it. Stop. I want to get rid of it as far as possible without aggravating the struggle. Stop. I dislike comparing my country with others to our advantage or disadvantage, because I do not want to criticize other countries. Stop. But I venture to point out that where upheavals occur, they are products of history, and the violence, defeat and civil war govern the subsequent events. Stop. Some honorable members seem to think that in order to have progress, they must destroy. Stop. They think that by increasing the conflict and bitterness, they can have a clean slate to write upon. Stop. No country has ever had a clean slate to write upon, not even after the biggest of revolutions. Stop. No one should deliberately destroy something which is worthwhile in order to build something which may be good in certain circumstances. Stop. I am prepared to compare what has been done in India in the last few years with what has been achieved in any other country. Stop. We may have achieved less, I am prepared to admit that, but we must take into account the peaceful and cooperative methods of our approach. Stop. You may say that even taking this peaceful cooperative method of approach, we might have gone faster. Stop. But I am not sure. Stop. The word democracy, I know, can mean many things, but I am talking of what is called parliamentary democracy stop. There are other methods which may equally be democratic but which are different stop. Why have we chosen parliamentary democracy question mark? Because we think that in the long run it produce the best results stop. If we come to the conclusion that it does not produce the best results comma well comma we change it comma obviously because we want results stop. What are the results we are aiming at question mark? National well-being and the happiness of the millions and millions of our people stop. We have at the present moment a country which is industrially not developed comma although we are industrially more developed than any other country in Asia comma apart from Japan stop. I am not at the moment taking into consideration the Soviet regions of Asia stop. Apart from these two exceptions comma India is industrially better developed than any country comma certainly more than China stop. Nevertheless comma we are an underdeveloped country stop. Our standard of living is low stop. We have got to raise that and in rising that we have got to find employment for all our people stop. What are our objectives question mark? We may define them in many ways comma but perhaps one way which is more important than others is to find progressively fuller employment till we reach full employment through increased production stop. You may also say that greater production ought to imply better distribution stop para. If that is our approach, how are we to do it in this very complicated situation that we are in with an underdeveloped economy and with very little surplus to invest question mark? We cannot compare our problems with those of the industrialized West because they have had centuries comma or at any rate comma generations of growth stop. We cannot compare ourselves with Soviet Russia stop. The only country which comma in a sense is comparably is China comma which also has a vast population comma unemployment comma very low standards and underdevelopment of industries stop. Therefore comma it is conceivable that as they achieve progress according to their ways comma we may be able to learn something from them stop. But China has passed through 40 years of civil war and international war stop. We had comma fortunately comma a peaceful transfer of power in this country comma with a running machine stop. A running machine has its advantages and disadvantages stop. I prefer the advantages stop. The advantage may be that you are tied up with certain processes which take time to change. Advantages are obvious that you do not destroy and start from scratch. Stop. We started at a higher level as I said stop. এই প্যাসেজের স্ট্রোক এবং পিডিএফ পেতে টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন এবং ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে রাখো সবার আগে নোটিফিকেশন পেতে। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।